In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft Azure account. So Azure is a Microsoft cloud computing service providing a variety of services including virtual machines, databases, and more. So let's begin. So in here, make sure you are on the Microsoft Azure official website and then click the Try Azure for free. And in here, it will redirect you to the another page of Microsoft Azure account. So in here, this is where you need to sign up. So you can sign up using your existing Gmail account or Microsoft account here in Microsoft Azure. But in this case, I'm going to use my existing email account or Microsoft account in here. So assumingly we are on the sign up page, you will need to enter a existing Gmail account without a Microsoft account. So in here, once everything's set up with your email, if when you sign up, you'll be redirecting to the profile fixing. So in here, you'll need to input your first name, middle name, and last name together with your phone number. And after that, you will need to input your address also. And once everything's set up, you can now click the sign up button. And that's it. That's how to create a Microsoft Azure account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.